All right, so I'm at the new market in Bangladesh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
What is it? What is this? What is this? Okay, check out this talmudi. I'm gonna get some peanuts too. Oh shoot, all right, here we go. Oh my God, that's good. That is delicious. Oh my God, this is horrible. I'm kind of shopping. I think that there's supposed to be a lot of good shopping here. I'm kind of looking for a sweater, but I'm not sure what else I'm gonna find. There's a lot of stuff I haven't seen so far in Bangladesh. Look at this, there's just a bunch of pots. They look like they're all handmade. Super nice, very pretty. This lady's got a full fire going on. Oh man, and I think he's making the wood for her fire. Hello, are you keeping warm? Do you cook the food? Good? What is that you're eating? What is that? Are you hungry? You're hungry? What do you want to eat? Okay. Okay. Are you making the wood? You cut the wood to burn here? Oh man, that's amazing. Wow, are you hungry? Oh wow, okay. Damnagat. Oh, I don't remember how to say it. Oh man, that's amazing. He's chopping the wood for her to burn. I don't know if she's cooking her food or if she's just using it to stay warm, but they're very smiley. I like that. I'm gonna see if I can get some food to bring them. She was eating like a really small piece of food just now. But yeah, so this is the new market. I'm seeing a lot of like shops on this side. There's a lot of little stalls on the side that I'm at right now. What is this? Hello. What is this? What is it called? Oh wow, I don't know. What is it?
I translate the English.
Okay, yeah, thank you. What are these dishes?
What কি dish? ওটা জিজ্ঞেস করতেছি। This is chicken.
Chicken?
Egg curry.
Egg curry. And this? Okay. Yeah, can I try some of... And then that's vegetables. Oh man, let me try some of this egg curry. Ooh, I've never tried this before. It's just egg curry? What is it called in Bangladeshi?
Yeah.
Mixed? Is it good? Is it delicious? Okay, yes. I'll take some.
Very much good.
Okay, can I try? I'll take one. Yes. 20? 20 Dhaka, okay. Are you hungry? No.
Mixed or single?
Oh, what is this? What is it? 40. Oh, you mix it? Yeah, let's do it. 40. Okay, 40. Oh, it looks like he's mixing all of it. With the egg. I'll take to go. Oh man, he's mixing some, it looks like mustard or something spicy. This guy's eating it right here. Is that the finished product? Looks good, delicious? Tasty? Tasty. Oh man, that's a whole plate. Can I take to go? Take out? Yeah. Okay. Can I take out? That's a lot. Try? Okay, I'll try right now. Thank you very much.
Very much.
Dhanyavad. Okay. Oh wow, it actually smells really good. Thank you very much. Do you mind holding this for a second? Thank you. Okay, so what is it called?
Talmudi. This is Bengali name, Talmudi.
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 Okay, check out this Talmudi. Ooh. So they give you these cards so that you can use it like a spoon. Scoop. Okay. Oh my God, that's good. Tasty, tasty. Mmm. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you so much.
I am
Thank
on
you.
Okay.
What's up?
Moja.
What-
Tasty.
Tasty. Tasty.
Bengali.
Moja.
Maja.
Moja.
Moja. Moja.
Maja.
Moja.
Maja. Maja. Dhanyabad. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Moja. Moja.
Maja. Maja. I remember. Maja. Learning new words. Love learning new words. Oh my gosh. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you, bro?
My name is Brad.
My name is Ridoy.
Lidoy.
Ridoy.
Lidoy.
Ridoy.
Nice to meet you, Lidoy.
Yes.
Getting peanuts here?
Yes.
Do they roast it?
You take peanut?
Yeah, I think so. What is it? What is this? Oh man. Everything's so interesting. Oh yeah? Thank you. Just crack it open and munch. Alright, typical peanut. Struggling here. Tasty, very good. Very good. How much was a bag?
10.
10 taka. Okay. I'm gonna get some peanuts too. So what are all the different kinds?
Yes, different kind. It's the right wrap. Now what? It's the peanut. It's the bean.
Bean?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the you know.
No?
No, I don't.
Oh no, don't know. Okay. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Wow, nice.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
country. It's
But
my dream-
Bangladesh is
it's my dream country.
your dream country. Everyone says that Bangladesh is the dream country.
Yes.
Bangladesh is the dream country.
For
It's
you.
amazing here. For me, not for you. Oh man, but it's so fun. There's so much to try here. Can I do a bag?
এক ব্যাগ দেওয়ার জন্য বলছি। মানে অনেকে 10 টাকা দিবে।
So what are you doing over here?
I am studying in Dhaka College.
Oh, okay.
This campus for me.
This is right inside here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. University, and then you finish class and you come out here,
Yes.
and you. Seems like there's a lot of food to eat after.
Yes. It's
Amazing.
the crowded area in this evening.
In the what?
Yeah, in this crowded area, in this place.
I see. I see. Oh no, you keep. It's okay. It's okay. You keep. Thank you. Oh wow. Okay. Got a bag. Ooh, I'm dropping them. I love these peanuts.
Are you blogging or Facebooking?
Yeah, Facebook, YouTube.
Name?
Where is Brad?
Fire?
Where is Brad? My name is Brad.
Brad.
Yeah.
Or displaying? Displaying, please.
Explain?
Yeah.
Here, let me show you. Where is Brad?
Oh, wow, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I am starting you.
Ah, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Nice to meet you. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much. Dhanyabad. Oh man, the people here are just so nice. It's crazy. When I'm in my home country, it's not like that. People might wave, but with only one finger. What a world here. Looks like there's an ambulance, and there is like some kind of cop car, because I can see the lights. But honestly, I don't know how they're able to get around, because the traffic is so intense. Oh wow. I think I might need to look at this stuff, because I'm getting cold at night, and all I have is this one sweater, but it's not enough. Okay, well I have a lot of food right now. I think I need to like pull over and take a bite. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's your name?
Abdullah Haq.
Abdullah Hat. My name is Brad. Nice to meet you. How are you today? How are you? Nice to meet you. Are you buying sandals?
300 আছে, 400 আছে, 500 আছে,
300, 400, 500.
500
Which ones are different prices? I see.
এগুলো আছে 500 টাকা।
500.
এগুলো আছে 500 টাকা। 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 500 টাকা।
Oh, I see. I see. Are these yours? Oh, okay. This is your business. That's a lot of sandals. Very good. I think I could use some more slides. But I don't see anything I like, so I'm gonna keep going. Nice to meet you. Okay, what else do we have here? Some artwork. Interesting. Have the courage to live the life you want. I like that. It's so crazy. There's just bicycles with clothes, and they use that same system for selling so many different things because they can just ride it around the streets. It's amazing. Oh my god. Hello. How are you? I've been so cold. I need to get a jacket. Oh, this looks cool. What size is this? Medium. How much is this? How much taka? How much taka for this?
It's 250.
250. Do you have bigger? A bigger one? Large?
One.
L?
Large one.
Yeah. I like it, but bigger.
It can fit you.
You think that could fit me?
Yes, it fits you. You can wear this.
Is there a bigger? I'll do a different one that's bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger, yeah. I want something to be baggy.
That one?
That looks like it's bigger. Jack and Jones. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. 250?
You can try this. 250. You can try this.
I'll just take it. It's okay. I think that'll fit. Yeah.
It's 250.
250. Okay.
Are you a vlogger?
Yes.
What's your
YouTube, Facebook.
What's your YouTube?
It's called Where is Brad?
Oh. Where are you from?
From America.
America.
Yes.
America. Barikoi town.
Barikoi, America.
America.
America, Barikoi.
Barikoi? Africa?
No. Your home
Home is America, yes.
America.
Yes. You're from Bangladesh. Beautiful country.
Why come here in our country?
I come here to try the food, to meet the people, to just explore, see what it's like. And the Bangladeshi people are so nice. Everyone wants to talk.
Thank you so much.
Everyone smiles. I love it here. It's amazing.
Thank you.
I love your
Thank you so
country. Wow. Okay.
What is your profession?
I'm a software engineer. I write computers.
engineers.
Yeah.
Software engineer.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Here, thank you.
Thanks so much.
Okay. It's okay. You keep. That's good. Thank you very much.
Wait.
No, it's okay. You keep. It's okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Down your butt. Oh man, it's amazing coming to these countries.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's amazing coming to these countries and just being able to, like, the people that are so nice, you just give a little bit back, because for like coming from America, it's not that difficult to do, and you can do so much good here. It feels amazing. Well, maybe I should get some pants too. I don't know. Oh, look at these corn guys. Hello. What's up, man? I think this guy is a little bit shy. How are you?
I'm fine.
The corn man. What's your name?
My name is Atik.
What is it?
My name is Atik.
Atik. Nice to meet you, Atik. My name is Brad. Are you the corn man? He's the corn man. Okay, I think I should get some corn. Can I try some corn? I'll take one. Yes, I'll take one corn. How much taka?
30.
30 taka. One. For me. I buy.
Vivo.
Yes. Yes. Let's see how he makes this corn.
One piece.
One piece, yes, thank you. I'm gonna put this down. Oh wow, look at this. So he's got like a little air thing. Oh, woo! Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. He's turning it to like start the fire. That's awesome. You want corn? Yes? Okay, corn for him too. Do you want corn? No? Do you guys want a corn? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want one?
5 no.
5? No. No?
If you want high quantity t-shirt, polo shirt, import your country?
No, not today. No, it's okay. I already bought some clothes, so I'll just, I can only carry so much, so it's okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we're getting some people some corn. Does he still want corn? Oh man, it's popping.
Women's socks.
What? It's getting black. I've never had corn like this before. Oh, this is so cool.
Chicken fry. Butterfly.
Butterfly. The popping? Oh man, are you gonna put some of that on there too? The shake? Sauce. Okay. Sweet. This is awesome. You speak really good English. Are you from Bangladesh?
Yes.
Bangladesh. Do you learn English in school? English. Very good.
English na marko
What is that? Dog? No dog. No, just that one. Yeah. Is it spicy? Hot? Hot.
50 টাকা ভাঙতি দেন।
But one corn? You guys don't want corn? All right, one sec.
সবাই খাইবো বলছি। 20 টাকা ব্যাগ।
No, it's okay. That's good. That's enough. That's good. Keep it for you. No, it's okay. It's okay. Look at this corn. That is delicious. Kind of spicy. So much on there. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. Very good. What is it? Makko? How do you say it? How do you say delicious? Tasty. Makko. Tasty. Okay, I'll just settle with tasty. I already forgot how to say the other word. Okay. I thought everyone wanted corn, but they all left. What is this? Businessman. You got cigarettes? What is that? June. I don't think I'm gonna try that right now. I've got too much food with me as it is. Okay. You have a bag? I can't eat this whole thing right now. Okay, I just bought a bunch of food, so I think I'm gonna take a break, eat my food, like find a place to sit. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna find a place to sit down, eat my food, relax for a little bit, and then we'll keep going. Okay, I actually took a break and I didn't really get a chance to eat because I was talking to so many people. Everyone's super friendly here and some people speak very good English. But I have to use the bathroom, so I'm following this guy to the toilet, I hope. The sun is going down, so I may have to end the video soon. But man, This is such a fun place to be. I love, oh wow. Do I have corn in my teeth? Okay, we're crossing. Hello. Got myself a little tour guide to get to the bathroom. It's nice. I think there's not as many toilets that are like easily accessible. So whenever I find one, I make sure I go. Oh my God.
Aja beta.
Toilet in here? I think this is a gas station. Okay, I'm gonna take a break, use the bathroom, and then I'll link up in a second. Super helpful. He just brought me. Oh. Dhanyavad.
Hello, your country?
America.
America?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yes, yes. Thank you.
How are you today?
Yes.
Yes, what's your name?
My name is Musharraf Hussain Khan.
Mashallah Bhushan Khan.
Musharraf Hussain Khan.
Mashallah Bhushan Khan.
Khan, yes.
Oh, very nice to meet you.
Your city, your live in city?
America.
America city, your city?
Yes, America, California.
California.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
I
Have you-
live in Dhaka.
You live in Dhaka?
I live in Dhaka.
This country is amazing.
I live in Dhaka.
Oh, I don't need change. It's okay. No change. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah, you live in Dhaka.
I live in Dhaka.
Oh man, this place is amazing. People are so friendly.
Oh.
Everyone smiles.
Your blocker.
Yes, yes.
You made my blocker. I am my petrol pump. Use operator.
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 For-
I'm petrol pump operator. You
Oh wow.
Broker? Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. You are understanding, blocker?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh wow. So how much does it cost for a liter?
Unigas.
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 Yes.
1 liter is 65
65 taka.
for 1 liter.
Only 1 liter. 65 taka.
I see. Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Amazing.
Are you octane?
110.
taka.
Oh, different.
135 taka. Octane.
I see.
135 taka. Good.
Very good. Okay. I have no car, but that's very cool.
Okay.
Wow. Hey, actually, can I try this?
No smoking.
Oh, we go over here. Oh, watch out. Hey,
Thank you.
very nice to meet
Very
you.
nice to meet you.
Man, the people here, I can't get enough. They're so friendly. People walk up and smile. Smoke. Oh, what is that? Hey, come over here. What is this? What's it called? Name. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, yeah. How much? That's it? I put it in my mouth. And I swallow or chew? Down or chew? Okay. Chew.
Yeah.
Don't swallow.
You don't swallow.
Don't swallow. And then I spit?
You can drink also.
Drink. Oh yeah. Okay. All
I'm
right.
not Bangladesh.
You're not Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maldives. Maldives.
Maldives.
Yeah.
Oh wow, very nice to meet you. What are you doing here? Vacation?
Just with my friends. Yeah.
Tourism?
No, just for holiday.
Oh, for holiday. I see. Oh, thank you for the help. Wow. Okay, we're gonna try this. What's that? Oh shoot! All right, here we go. Oh, hard.
Halka.
Oh my God! Wow. This is horrible. You guys are laughing at me. You do this? Yeah? Oh my God. I spit? Oh my God. Don't spit? Swallow. Okay, okay. Oh my God. Very intense. I feel, oh. I get it, it's okay. Oh wow. So strong. Okay. With sugar. Don't eat. Is there tobacco in here? I thought you said just swallow it. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I'm sorry. I see everyone else do it, so I thought. I swallow? No, it's okay. How much for this? Did I pay already? You have change? Wow. I wonder why people lose. How much taka? For this, how much taka? How much? How much money? 5. Oh shoot. I don't have 5. Here's 500. Take it. Thank you so much. You brought me to the bathroom. You're very friendly. Thank you so much. Sanyavat. Okay, have a good day. I'll go this way. Thank you very much. Okay, have a good day. Thank you, everyone. Woo! Wow, I'm feeling crazy right now. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. I feel like I have like a rush of energy. This is intense. I get it though. Oh, it wakes me up. Hello. Come here.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine. You are a country?
I love it. This is amazing.
You are a Muslim?
What's that?
You are a Muslim?
No Muslim.
Muslim. Okay.
But I love the country. Everyone's so friendly. What are you selling?
Nice.
Sweatpants. I could use some sweatpants. 200. Oh my God. Good price. One piece 200. Oh man. Here, let me set this down. Okay. What color should I get? These will fit me.
Small size, medium size, L size.
Medium.
Medium.
M.
M. Okay.
All of
Another
it.
color?
Okay.
Another color.
I like this color.
This color. It is small. Okay.
It looks good. Okay.
Okay.
200.
200.
All right. Oh my God, this stuff that's crazy. Okay. Live. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Amazing. This is great. I've been so cold. Yeah, I feel crazy. I've been super cold, so now I have a jacket, sweatpants.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Dhanyavad. Okay. All this stuff. Okay, have a good day.
Come here.
Oh man, this is an amazing market. I feel like there's way more to explore because I'm just on the main street here. So, man, it's a new market. Okay, the sun's going down. I've eaten a lot of food and I bought the stuff I came here to get. So I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh my gosh, the stuff I ate is crazy. All right, peace out.